This is the smaller. I have to get the bigger one. This is a little bigger. This is going to work for the nail that I have. So I'm gonna pull with the plier. Now I have to do this. I have to put this thing here. In and out. Then I come with this screw and Phillips screwdriver. And that's it. I have to put it flat with the tire, not in, not out, flat. This is it. Just a little more. So this is it. Now it's just filled with this pump here. This brand here from Amazon. This is the best, $20 on Amazon.
Very proud.
Okay. This is how you find the hole. You see if the job is good. You put soap water. This is soap water. Soap water. See, it's fixed. No bulbs.